Plantically Speaking with the Blooms and Herbs Garden. Hello, gardening friends. Welcome back to our garden planning series. Today, I want to talk about one of my favorite gardening techniques, companion planting. It's an ancient practice that not only makes your garden more productive, but also helps plants thrive together in harmony. Plus, spring is the perfect time to implement companion planting. So let's dive into why it's so important and how you can start. What is companion planting? Companion planting is the practice of growing specific plants together to improve growth, deter pests, and maximize your garden's health. Think of it as pairing plants that are good neighbors. They support each other in unique ways, like repelling harmful insects, attracting pollinators, or even enriching the soil. Why is companion planting important? Companion planting is a natural way to create balance in your garden ecosystem. Here are a few key benefits. 1. Pest control. Some plants repel pests naturally. For example, marigolds are great for keeping nematodes and aphids at bay. 2. Improved growth. Certain plants enhance each other's growth. For instance, basil planted with tomatoes can boost the tomato's flavor and growth. 3. Efficient use of space. Companion planting allows you to plant more in smaller areas, like pairing tall sunflowers with sprawling cucumbers. 4. Healthier soil. Plants like beans and peas fix nitrogen into the soil, which benefits other plants nearby. And let's not forget, it makes your garden look vibrant and diverse. When and how to start companion planting. Spring is the ideal time to plan and implement companion planting because it all starts with your garden layout. Here. Quote, how to get started. 1. Do your research. Look up companion pairings for the plants you want to grow. Some classics include carrots and onions. Onions repel carrot flies. Corn, beans, and squash. The Three Sisters method. Lettuce and radishes. Lettuce provides shade while radishes loosen the soil. 2. Map your garden. Sketch each plant will go. Make sure you're pairing plants that complement each other. 3. Keep an eye on spacing. While some plants grow well together, they still need enough space to thrive. 4. Experiment. Companion planting isn't one size fits all. Observe what works best in your garden and tweak your plan each year. Examples of popular companion planting pairs. Here are a few tried and true combinations you can try this spring. Tomatoes and basil. Not only do they taste great together, but basil helps repel pests like aphids and whiteflies. Cucumbers and nasturtiums. Nasturtiums attract pollinators and deter cucumber beetles. Carrots and onions. Onions keep carrot flies away, while carrots aerate the soil for onions. Beans and corn. Beans climb up the corn stalks, while corn provides shade. A note on what not to plant together. Not all plants get along, though. For example, keep onions away from beans and peas, as they can stunt their growth. And avoid planting potatoes near tomatoes. They share pests and diseases. Companion planting is an incredible way to create a thriving, healthy garden that works with nature. It's all about finding the right partnerships to support your plants. As you plan your spring garden, try pairing some of your favorite plants and watch how they help each other grow. Let me know in the comments which combinations you're excited to try this year. We would love to hear from you. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.